Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on Netflix. We click on settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Netflix and we click here. In this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.